Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi 12R and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, then locate the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Click on edit and now mark add picture. Now just choose the one that you want to apply. You can also grab a picture right now if you wish, just mark camera, but let me pick something from my gallery. Then you can customize picture however you like, and then click on choose. Now tap on save, and that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it has been applied. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.